Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for Sibongile and the Dlaminis this week. On Monday the 4th of November 2024, Sibongile is defeated after Jabu kicks her to the curb, but Zama is unwilling to let her go down without a fight. Meanwhile, an excited Njengaye shares his big plans for Sibalkhulu Holdings. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, Sibongile turns to Kwenzo when Zama suggests protesting as a way to keep her in school. She also needs to win her father's forgiveness. While Klima tries to pull herself together, Vusi seems to be falling apart. Can Samke convince Kuzwayo she's not to be messed with? On Wednesday, the 6th of November, Usbongile begs Zama to halt the protest while Njengaye moves to give her an offer she can't refuse. Yo, guys, Klina has a horrid time with Petini and her friends at the restaurant. Guys, looks like it's going to be an interesting week. Usbongile, I just feel like Usbongile needs to kind of be taught a lesson. You can't just go around trusting people like that. How did she get to a point of trusting Ujabu like to that extent? But anyway, I feel sorry for her, but uyamazge umay F uzama with the protest. I think it's actually a good idea, because I mean, what Ujabu is trying to do is unfair for him to actually put Usbongile out of school and out of the internship just because he has a love interest in her, which she is basically or has basically refused. But the plot twist of Njengaye now offering Usbongile a bursary or offering to, oh guys, that's going to be interesting. But I guess Ukwenzo, it looks like Ukwenzo isn't mad about the whole thing that Usbongile, well, I don't know, maybe he doesn't know the full story of Usbongile even wanting to sue the Dlaminis. But how is Usbongile now going to accept this offer for them to put her in school while she is planning or she's speaking to a lawyer on suing the Dlaminis? Guys, she is caught between a rock and a hard place. But I know it's going to be an interesting week with some K and Abeno Kuzwayo. Let's see how it plays out. But you know what? I feel like Usamke played Ukuzwayo to a certain extent. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.